In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download Madden 25 in any console. The first step that you have to do is to purchase the game. Here, you just need to download Madden 25 to your Xbox console. You'll need first to purchase the game. And here's how. Go to the official page of Xbox and then find the Madden 25 and then click the buy and complete the purchase using your preferred payment method. Now, I want you to head to your Xbox. Here you just need to follow the steps on how you can install the game remotely. First, you need to use the Xbox mobile application in your phone, and then you just need to ensure that your console is set to the instant on mode and connected to the internet. Here you can now manage downloads remotely from your phone or your PC, including the game which is the Madden 25. So if you have issues with the download or installation, you can return to the support link or contact Xbox support directly. That's it. That's how you can download Madden 25 in your console, and thank you for listening.